get you some update on the pollution levels in the national capital. They're back, and they're back to very poor levels. In fact, in 2 locations out of the many that where they have towers that collect this information, at 2 locations, the air quality levels have reached this, they're under the severe category. Delhi's air quality is expected to be in the very poor category all day today as well as tomorrow. It could worsen. Stubble burning in farms is a contributory factor, and it's not just the national capital. Haryana, Rajasthan, UP, all of them fall in the very poor category. The share of farm fires pollutants in Delhi pollution is 17%. Now on your screen, let's take a look at that graphic of ours. It shows how our top 5 cities, the top 5 most polluted cities at the moment, are actually not even, Delhi doesn't even fall into the top 5. The top polluted city actually falls in Haryana. There's Dharuhera with an AQI level of 480, that is the severe category. Haryana also is on second number, with Faridabad recording an AQI level of 370, which is the very poor category. Rajasthan is 355, again very poor. UP's Greater Noida and Rajasthan's Bhiwandi also on the third and fourth number with the maximum level of pollution at the moment.
First thing is that Delhi government is totally committed to grab the guidelines which are recommended by the Honorable Supreme Court of India. So as per the severity level of the pollution, Delhi government is the only government in the region which will push all these, all the recommendations religiously, whether it is about, closing our thermal plants, whether it is about not running diesel generator sets. We are getting this opportunity to discuss it because now pollution will rise, and probably this is the right time when people will pay attention to it also, and there is a lot of traction to this subject. Few days back, the Environment Minister of the central government said that this pollution is not a problem of capital or Delhi. This is a problem of our entire northern region, and all states have to work on it, and we welcome that decision. And the same next day, the Honorable Chief Minister of Delhi held a press conference, and he welcomed that, that statement of the Environment Minister, and he said it with all seriousness that, it cannot be tackled unless and until all the chief ministers of these states, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and Delhi are committed, and that commitment has to come from the top level. It cannot be done at the level of chief secretaries or environment secretaries because they are not accountable to the people. So let the Honorable Environment Minister call a monthly meeting of all these chief ministers. Let's decide the plan. Let's have the timelines. Let there be a press conference after each meeting that, this has been decided and agreed by these chief ministers, by these states, and we will work on those timelines. Otherwise, we will discuss this every year. Every year, the ratings will go from, poor, very poor, severe, but nothing concrete will come out of it. It will be the same. So I think it was a welcome statement by the Chief Minister as well as Environment Minister, but all other states have to, rope in the very fact that every year, not just NDTV, but, all other channels will have a lot of discussion around pollution during this part of the season, We know it, there is no second thought about it. The very reason why we discuss it now is because this is the time when the pollution will start going up, and we know, local factors are there across the year, It is not the fact that, we have new cars coming up in the season and people sell their cars again in January. No, it's all same. It's the only thing which changes is the stubble burning, and I think all of us who are responsible for it have to sit together unless and until we acknowledge it and we say that yes, this is the problem and we will fix it. And even if we talk about, internal factors, probably, vehicular pollution, dust pollution, thermal power plants still running in our neighboring states. Delhi is the only state where we have, closed down these thermal power plants. We have to find out the solution. So now, even if it is an internal problem, then that internal problem is in Noida, is in Gurgaon, it is in Ghaziabad, Saibabad, everywhere. So we have to sit together. It makes no sense that, Delhi bans X number of vehicles, but they are running in Noida or they get registered in Greater Noida. It is very easy, for us to say that we will not register new vehicles.